Oh, that's bigger, dude.
Yeah,
that's bigger.
No.
That's a salmon. Surely that's a salmon. That's good. That's good.
Oh.
That's an awesome bit of bycatch for herring fishing. We're using that 20-gram twisty, which is probably on the large side for the herring. Mind you, we're still catching them. But what it means is you open yourself up to a couple of bigger species that'll be hanging around as well. Now Jared cast hard onto that on this bit of reef that we're fishing here. And a pack of about 6 salmons come through and one swallowed his lure. So he knew it felt a little bit heavier. It was definitely a bit heavier than a big herring. Hopefully we can nail it. That's a good one. There we go. Oh, how's that for an Australian salmon? A lot bigger than they get on the east coast. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's not a bad fish. And these things, they migrate up the south coast, and today's Easter Monday, and usually Easter is the sort of point in time where we start to expect seeing them in metro waters. And I actually heard yesterday that there was some around in good numbers, so that's pretty cool.
Swallowed that.
That is right down his gob. That wasn't coming out anytime soon. And that's nice. All right. We got absolute mayhem at the moment. Oh, I'm getting smoked. We got one on the deck, we got 2 on the deck. And I'm in a bit of strife. There are, you won't be able to see them, but there are absolutely fish everywhere. Check that out. How cool is this? We just had a nut school of salmon come up, took both the trollers, both the boys nailed fish, and I got the twisty out and started casting. Something nailed it on the surface. And I think it was pretty fair to assume it was another salmon. But it was in fact this wicked looking bloke. You know what, they are absolutely magnificent on the plate, so that might have to be dinner tonight. He's nailed that little twisty. It's worth always having a twisty rigged up on a rod, on a light rod, up in the rocket launcher, ready to cast when you find some action. Because you get little bonuses like this. Double hookups on the Metro Salmon. Found a nice school out on the 5 fathom bank. And it's not really obvious where they're sitting, but we're just trolling around with some Laser Pro 140s and coming across them. Check the sounder out. There's absolutely thousands of fish around the boat. So the fish have just gone deep. I'm going to drop the paddle prawn down. Yeah, this goes. I can still see some fish down there. Oh, I did not even twitch it. And it's been absolutely inhaled.
That is awesome.
Oh, that's big. Absolutely cannot beat this Metro salmon fishing. These fish are absolutely skits. Oh, they fight so hard for a fish of their size. And just the sheer numbers that they come in creates just hectic sessions like this. It's so much fun. Oh, this one's big. Perfect release. That's a Mad Eye 7-inch paddle prawn. As you would have seen, got inhaled before I even got a chance to twitch it. Ready? Bang! Again! That's just nuts, like you absolutely cannot beat that. If you haven't had a chance to come out here and chase these salmon, it's something you really need to do. Because this is just incredible fun. How good's that? These are monster fish and they've been migrating their way up. up our south coast for the last 6 weeks or so, even longer. And so these ones, when they get to Perth, they are beautiful specimens. That is well fed up and down our southwest coast, and they are really fun to catch. You'll catch them on anything. I'm using paddle prawns just because they're really easy to get out and get back in. But twisties, we've caught them on twisties today. I got them on the rooster poppers. They'll eat pretty much anything. Laser pros. So if you haven't had a chance to come out here and chase these fish, I really recommend it. It's an absolute wicked time. Just keep... Nice, Jacko.
Yeah, boy. Get. Go get.
A little bit more bycatch. We found the salmon. The school had moved on. Watch my toes there. The school had moved on, so we've done another loop. The yellowtail kingfish snailed our lure, so another surprise. So now we got salmon, southern bluefin tuna, and a yellowtail kingfish, which is just some awesome fun.